What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Spads here once again with another moto vlog entry for you. The distance that we're gonna travel today is 300 kilometers loop from Iloilo, summer capital, Aningalan Mountains in San Remegio. 5 hours going to our route and then 5 hours back to my home. So that's a lot of time to travel. So if you're excited for our video today, sit back and relax. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you sub and hit the bell button so that you'll get notifications every time I upload a new video. And also follow my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so you'll get daily updates on what I'm doing on a daily basis, okay? Let's go and start the trip. Okay, what's up, guys? We are near our first town. Ay, nangyayang aso. Ayan, I like this spot right here. Yung mga kahoy. Let's go. Ayan, sa wakas. Woo! Dami nagda-jogging ah. Okay, so this is Tigbawan right here. Oh my god. And their famous church. Yan, Tigbawan, what's up? Hindi tayo. Huwag sa stop then. Continue tayo. Yan, ang ganda. So kasama ko yung friends ko dito sa ride na ito. And it's actually my first time to go this route, to the southern route. And nakikita nyo, beach area yan. Ito yung pinaka magandang view when it comes to riding, kasi yung road dito, as you can see, ayan, diba, it's near the coastal area. And alam niyo naman, guys, gusto ko yung beach and your scenery sa beach. So ayan. Woo! Yan, guys, ang ganda. Teka, stop muna tayo dito. Ayan, we're gonna stop and appreciate the beach. Kasi paminsan-minsan lang tayo dito sa beach the whole time, kasi may work ako, I work from home. Seldom lang tayo makakalabas tulad nito. So let's appreciate. Ang ganda. Sarap tumalon at maligo. Okay, onward. I think we're at Gimbal na. If you can see, the signature of this town is ito, yung mga yellow na walls going to the main town of Gimbal. And as you can see, may vanishing mansion dito. May nagpapakita ata dito kung gabi. Yan yung sabi nila. Each town have their own old Spanish churches. Okay, so hopefully ma-visit natin yan. Ayan yung mga churches nila. Oh. Good, guys. Yan, so we're leaving the town na. Yan, Gimbal, our little hometown. Woo! I don't know if maganda yung effect ng tulay na to. bitches. Yeah, come on. Okay guys, ayan na yung Miagao town just up ahead. Yeah. Yun yung church nila, oh. Okay. Ganda, no? Yan. Siyempre daan lang tayo dito. And andyan yung parang plaza nila. UP! Let's go! Gusto ko mag-stretching. Ayan na guys. So next town is San Joaquin. Ayan, masira-sirang daan. Yung problema kasi dito, yung South Road, parang ginagawa nilang 4 lanes para sa mga malalaking sasakyan. Kaya eto ngayon, tingnan nyo, sira-sira. Oh, ganda! Okay, ano ng town to? Woo, let's go! Okay, another orange bridge. Let's go! Oh my god. Okay, we're here na sa Noquinyo. Ang ganda lang ng ng entrance nila is overlooking sa dagat. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, overlooking sa dagat. Okay, we're here na where we're gonna eat our breakfast. Okay, yep. Let's go. Teka, hanap tayo ng Okay guys, so pasok tayo sa loob. Mostly dito yung kumakain. Yan guys, tingnan na naman yung view dito. Okay, so dito muna kami guys. We're gonna have breakfast because it's around 7:15, 7:30 ata. And then we're gonna continue for another 20 minutes. Okay, so sit back and relax and enjoy the view. Okay guys, so tapos na namin kumain dyan. We're gonna go na. Okay, let's go. Okay, so dadaan tayo sa Cliff Road. Ayan yung mga views dito. Oh my god. Yan. Ano yung team spuds. Ang ganda. Nature guys, nature. Okay, so as you can see, ang daming mga ano dito, resorts. Pero mostly yung mga beaches dito is mga stone beach. Kasi panay cliff. Ayan, makikita nyo. So lahat may mga resorts dito. Pero syempre clear naman yung mga tubig. Yun nga lang, rocky beach siya. So medyo masakit sa paa. Tapos biglang malalim yung tubig. It is best for diving experience yung lugar na yan. As you can see guys, pababa, paakyat yung road dito. Yan, fire tree, let's go. Oh, diba? Woo! Pero ang pangit ng daan dito. Well, okay naman yung view. Bumabawi sa view kahit ganun kapangit yung daan. Ayun guys, yan, pupunta tayo dyan. Tapos iikot tayo. O diba, ganda ng view. Oh my god. Woo! Ayan, ito na guys. Nasa curve na tayo. Woo! Welcome to Lawigan. Let's go. Oh, ganda. Meron dyan later na Instagrammable spot na parang cliff siya, tapos nasa corner talaga siya. So pwede kayong mag-parking, Instagram, or palipad ng drone. It's a cool place. If dayo kayo from somewhere else and then you're planning to, you know, solo ride or group ride the whole of Iloilo province, then I recommend this place. Taka kayo dito, ang ganda. And another bridge, yo. Nice. Ano kayang lugar to? Banking. Oh my god. Makasungayin ako. Oh, ang ganda ng Cliffside. Okay guys, what's up? Nandito na tayo, Instagrammable spot. Oh, ayan guys, oh cliff. Yan, tapos dagat. Ito yung Instagrammable spot. Yan, oh my god. Woo! Yan, diba guys, ang ganda. Oh my god. So bukid, tapos dagat, tapos cliff. And then kung pupunta ka dito, wait lang, yan, makikita nyo. Ayan, dito palipad tayo ng drone. Ayan, 'di ba? Nung pumunta ka dito, walang dahon 'yan. And ngayon, ang ganda. Oh, 'di ba guys? Sulit. So, if you're here with me still watching this and you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, come on, subscribe na. Hit that bell icon so that I can show you more of this. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's fly some drone. Okay guys, so we are gonna move on. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa scenery na to. This is the place if you're gonna go solo ride here, Anini-y. So 17% na lang ako sa battery ko sa GoPro. We're gonna go, okay? And then I'm gonna continue vlogging on the spot where we're gonna park this, and then we're gonna go to the island, okay? So let's go. Hey guys, kita nyo? Ang daming butterflies. Ang daming butterflies, oh. What the fuck? What's happening? Parang fairy tale. Ayan guys, oh, ang dami talaga. Oh, kita nyo. Sana nakikita nyo, ang dami talaga. Yan. Dami, oh. Oh my god. Ayan, oh, ang dami. Shit. Let's go. Okay guys, so dito na kami sa hot spring. Dito kami kukuha sana ng ng boat ride papuntang isla. Pero temporary close pala sila. So yung gagawin namin, mag-proceed na lang kami sa sa San Jose Antique, and then we're gonna explore the esplanade, and maybe we're gonna do overnight there, okay? So ito sana yung punta natin, no? Nogas Island Marine Sanctuary. Ayan. Hindi namin alam kung kailan mag-open to, pero pupuntahan natin yan. So right now, proceed tayo. It's another 1 hour travel. Siguro around 30 minutes to 40 minutes lang if motor. Ayan. Okay guys, so let's go. More travel to go. Stay tuned lang, sit back and relax. Okay, so let's